Yeah, this is their that mansion. He has a circus museum and everything. I'd like to see it sometime. It's down there in Florida. Throw that on the Florida bucket list.
Definitely.
We're going to have to get tested with the battery and then hit record again.
No, I can do better.
Get off. Get off the train.
That laugh. You're recording it on your video too.
Oh, it's okay.
Sunglasses. Didn't think about that one either.
Yeah, because they don't have curtains.
You're just gonna edit that out, aren't you?
Yeah, I could edit it out.
Of course, right around the time I stopped flying was when they really started offering more upgrades.
This window isn't the cleanest in the world.
It didn't focus in time. Oh, owners on the trains.
They have a very piss poor system, is what they have.
What?
One lady working,
F1.8.
one line for food. You have to get back in the same line if you buy souvenirs.
Oh.
So watch, because these are all shaken up.
Okay.
So, well, the souvenirs, they have like their 40th anniversary stuff in their book. We do have a special hat, but it's really nothing special.
Wait, 40th anniversary stuff?
Yes, they still have some of that.
They have like the HO
They have
scale
these
stuff?
back in the shops. That building is like their operations center or something.
No, CNOC is back. It was back for the sign. The building's plastered with CNOC on it.
Oh,
It's one
that
of the
might be a
Amtrak
training center.
reformed brand new Dallas cars.
All the way up.
Okay, done. Winning. Winning right there.
Somebody's using a PR tone.
the only thing.
Casing it tomorrow?
We're just going to catch it probably in Pencader, and we're going to be doing the Wilmington and Western excursion train tomorrow. More foamers. You got some yardage stuff here?
Well, we can do either or. We can either do that, or we can stand on the separate platform and get to Newark station. This is where all the oil trains kind of.
Locomotives are behind the train.
Other gas lines, nothing else.
And the Amtrak 8 is right. Yeah, I got these NS at Terry
Bless you.
up on the north leg of the Y, just security interlocking at Oswego Street. Is that a good place for them to meet you?
Wonder how much foam is
There'll
here.
be 4 bridges right to our
A
left.
bunch of people down at the end of the platform.
One will be
can't really
the
even see much
Acela
from down
Bridge
there.
going across the river. Then there's a freight bridge. Then there's Route 40.
803, is that a good spot there?
It's the end of the parking lot there.
Mike, where are we?
Perryville.
Perryville. We're coming onto the Port Road.
Conductor 8, and you want before.
Police.
Channel 2, if you can let the Amtrak conductor know. Roger, everybody's already been informed. We're on board.
It's a really cute colonial station there. There goes an HHP-8 flying through. You can see.
I bet they're out doing forward control today.
Probably, yeah.
Thanks, guys.
But you know how it is. Forward's gonna foam.
Mike, 16107 now?
I think so, yeah.
957 main line, here we come.
Now this is Yeah, these people probably don't even realize like what's going by here. They're just
Like whatever trains go by. And of course, the waiter having an email doesn't help.
No, exactly.
They probably think it's just Norfolk. So there we go. There's the folder.
Test 1, 2.
what's so historic about it?
Testing.
There's like one building.
Test 1, 2.
This might be an area to come to.
Anyone to ask for over?
Back that way to the other.
After catching them in Newark or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you're okay to take the like block out of it. You can just
Could
let me
just
know.
picture Boardman ripping the windows.
You get that signal bridge?
No, I missed it, thankfully. I was trying to get a scenery shot.
Oh, that's it.
That was a disappointing tunnel.
There's a couple of them.
Kind of like the tunnels on the Adirondack.
Yeah.
They're not even 7105.
Right up there, it was 80%. But
All good?
Sullivan, someone just yeah, I saw it. Mother must be so proud. That happened on my first Bass Bay trip. Two guys moved the train out. I did that, but I had a handle with that hand. And this kid was by himself. Charlie on himself. I was afraid to put it. I need to yell. Seriously, yeah.
What's the fun on that?
Is this Holtwood? Yeah, it's Holtwood.
this is a very unique dam. This is
Times 5 if that's clear Holtwood, main west out.
public utility.
That's 957.
We're not that close.
Clear Holtwood, west out.
This was the one and only dam in the United States ever to go bankrupt. Went
Oh, you gotta go another
bankrupt in
almost
the
50
teens
miles.
when the Knickerbocker Bank
Here,
failed.
I'll pull it up on the map here.
Yeah, there's some guy in one of the other cars who was like,
Government
yeah, like the
And it says private crossing. Turns out the crossing was for the farm. And that crossing also goes over the Post Road branch.
Those guys are gonna rip them up sooner or later.
Oh, I think so.
Because they get very angry. I guess it's a public dam. Because there were a ton of people down there.
that was all electric.
There's Cola Tower.
That's a bridge.
That is a bridge. There's a whole line of foam over there. There's
Oh, yeah.
foam up on the bridge. There's foam.
Say that again, Eric.
Shots weren't bad.
Most foamers are shooting the train going away. That's kind of a pointless shot. Yeah.
Some people might want that shot if they're going over the bridge going away.
Next time we're renting boats and we're going to drop anchor down there and get it going across the bridge.
Okay.
Dropping.
Drop anchor. Okay, Kurt.
Because they prefer to stop the trains before they get on the bridge, not after. Yeah, they're on the ground.
Hey, Kurt, I just found a loophole.
Wow.
See, I don't know what side the siding's going to be on.
Siding's on this side, it looks like. You see tracks. Up here on the left, Dash 9 leader.
Yeah, that's what we should call it.
And see if she can talk to the chief and see if that works.
I don't know, maybe Foreman Penny Baker has to approve that.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Well,
Is Penny Baker considered the foreman out here?
I think so, but he said they have to talk to the chief.
That's probably Penny Baker.
Yeah, probably.
Well, they always do that when they need to talk to the foreman. It's always, we need to talk to the boss or the chief or some goofy name.
957 main line over. He can relay to the chief and everybody. Originally the plan was to make it stop at here at North Passenger Station.
Yeah, so they would be the one day.
The Amtrak crew would rather just proceed on Rockville Bridge.
I won't know until that.
Good job. Thank you.
Oh, look, all the people out on the deck out there.
Oh, the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is?
Nice people at the bridge view.
If I go a little faster,
I wonder if they're going slow on this bridge on purpose.
I don't know, Pennsylvania flies over it.
Susquehanna, they slowed down.
The lighting is a bit flat here.
Got the flag for you there if you need it ever.
Oh, he's talking about the Statue of Liberty, the see right in the middle of the little river.
Yep.
Yeah, cute. It's way up in the middle.
Yeah, I can
Middle of
see
the
it.
river, you'll see a little white figure.
It's right up there. You really can't see it though.
The community activist that tried unsuccessfully running for Congress multiple times is the one who built it.
Oh, really?
It's some Looney Tune. Now we're picking up some. There you go.
Who's on the phone?
Yeah, I know.
Jump here, W11. Well, Jesus, Rick.
Sharp curve to the right.
Watch out, Michael.